I was going to say something really dirty, but I'm not going to say it. Okay, moving on. Hey guys, it's Priscilla Ono, global makeup artist for Fenty Beauty. We're back in the makeup room and I'm here with AD.
Hey girl.
Hey. We're going to be getting into some lips. AD, I know that you're a big fan of lips.
My favorite.
I'm so excited to show you how to get Rihanna'S black cherry lip. It's kind of like this thing that's been going around. Everybody wants to know, what lip liner is she wearing?
Yeah. And I get to try it?
Like the first. So let's show everybody how to do it.
Yes.
All right, so this is traced out. This one's in cold-blooded. We're gonna do like this beautiful kind of like 90s darker lip liner moment with like a beautiful cherry gloss in the middle. Okay, so I'm gonna take this. This has a crazy amount of pigment. Usually lip liners have like a white base, but this lip liner has no white base. So it's literally pure pigment. So you're gonna get that payoff right away. Like boom. So I usually like to start at the Cupid's bow. That's always kind of like my go-to since this is like the focal point of the lip. I want to get it right. I want to get it perfect. When I overdraw, I do slightly overdraw the Cupid's bow, but then I kind of keep it tight at the sides of the lip just so that it doesn't look crazy. And I also love this like little pout. Rihanna loves a pout too. She loves to have like this beautiful like little pouty lip going on. I just feel like it just looks good on everyone.
Oh yeah, it's definitely giving 90s vibe.
It's giving 90s, right? Yeah. Now I'm gonna do a little bit on the sides. So kind of like blending it inward. Just on the corners of the mouth, just to give like a pretty blend. They're long wear, they're sweat proof, they're water resistant. So you're not gonna get any smudging or feathering when you're applying your lip liner or even after once you're wearing it.
It's just gliding.
Gliding.
Oh my gosh.
No tugging.
No.
Those days are over. So I just feathered in the corners just to kind of give like a really beautiful blend. It's gonna look good too like once I put the gloss bomb on top. But just like the very corners on the ends. Now we're gonna go in with Gloss Bomb Heat in Hot Cherry. And we're just gonna layer that on top. So I did leave your lip liner on for a little bit and just like let it set down. Or I just let it set before I actually put your gloss on. Just to make sure it doesn't move when you're putting on your gloss. So this gloss bomb is the heat version, so it's gonna give a beautiful plumping effect. It's gonna get nice and warm and tingly.
I love that.
Right?
Yeah.
It feels like it's working.
Yeah.
While we wait for your lips to plump, let's answer some of these questions.
All right.
Here we go.
Okay, this one. Ooh, ride or die Fenty product. A lip. Duh. Like anything, the liner, the gloss, everything, the mask, the oil. Ride or die.
It is, you're right.
I can't live without it.
It's like there is no better lip than a Fenty lip.
It's like I go to sleep in the mask, then I wake up and put on the oil. It's just like all day, something for every part of the day.
You're right.
Yeah.
The lips are never going to be dry.
Oh no, not over here.
All right, I want you to see the end result.
Oh my goodness. No, that eats.
It's so
like,
good on you.
And you can do day to day.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh. No, I love that.
I love it for you.
Oh my god.
What's next for you, AD?
Right now, I'm just living, thriving, going with the flow. I'm not really trying to like plan too much. I just want to see, you know, what the universe presents to me.
I love that.
Yeah,
what a great spirit. Oh, AD, I love you.
Oh, thank you. Love you too.
I had so much fun with you today in the makeup room.
Thank you. You taught me so much.
Oh my
and like this
gosh.
is literally going to be a staple.
I can't wait to see you rock it.
Thank you.
And you're invited anytime you want to come back to the makeup
Girl,
room.
don't play with me. I'll be here tomorrow.
Okay. You heard that.